Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register employees in a school attendance app. First, let's understand why this process is crucial for accurate record keeping and efficient school operations. You'll need to gather essential employee details, such as their full name, employee ID, and assigned roles. Then, navigate to the administrative section of your school's attendance application to begin the registration process. This initial setup ensures a smooth experience for everyone involved. Now, let's move on to entering the specific details for each employee. Carefully input their personal information, including contact details, and their professional data, like department and job title. It's vital to assign the correct roles and permissions, ensuring they have access only to the features relevant to their responsibilities. Double-check every piece of information for accuracy before saving to prevent future discrepancies. Next, we'll configure the attendance tracking rules for your newly registered employees. This involves defining parameters such as standard work hours, break times, and overtime policies. You'll also set up holiday calendars and specific work schedules for various employee groups. If your app supports it, consider integrating biometric or location-based tracking for enhanced accuracy, ensuring precise attendance records are maintained throughout the academic year. Finally, it's time to finalize the registration and onboard your employees. Conduct a thorough review of all registered profiles and their assigned settings to ensure everything is correct. Then, provide each employee with their unique login credentials and clear instructions on how to use the attendance application. A short, informative training session can significantly help them adapt quickly, ensuring a seamless transition to the new system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.